Hey mates, in the previous video we had seen how instead of making the number of copies as 14, I have copied the pin 15 times, and instead of having the component of 30 pin IC, I have made a 32 pin connector. So how can I just edit this package that I have made instead of starting to make the package again from the scratch? So we have an option in Proteus which is called as Decompose. So I'll just right click on this component and click on Decompose tagged objects. After this, we can make changes to our device, like we can change the size of this box, we can add and remove the pins, and so on. So what I will do is I will remove this extra pins. Also, you can see after the 15th pin over here, my 17th pin is named over here. So I want to change these names, right? So I'll just go to edit properties of this pin and number each pin again according to my needs. 16, 17. This won't take much time, right? 18, 19. I could have done this even in the first part over where I was making the package, so that it would have been easier right now. 20. I think it's time to fast forward. So here we go. We have named the pins according to our needs, according to our connector. Now also we can add the text if we want. Otherwise, keep it like this itself. Now all I have to do is select the package, right click, click on make package. Then I will name the package with the similar name that I had named earlier. So NMCU1, package category connectors, package type as through hole. Click on OK. Now I will get a warning message which will say that if we want to replace the LMCU in disk library. So I'll click on yes, updated all instances, OK. And so now we have the package as NMCU1. I just check if it has been made according to my need. So here we have a package of 30 pin connector named properly. Now this decompose option in the similar manner can be used in the schematic as well. If uh, if we see that are the ground pins are named in the similar way. So if we give a PCB layout for this component, all these ground pins will be connected and it will cause a mess. So in the next video I will show you how I can name these ground pins separately, and will link these two packages, the one that we had made in the schematic and the one that we had made in the PCB design. So Buccaneers, stay tuned.